Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea portable air conditioner isn't cooling as effectively as before, or you've noticed reduced airflow, there's a strong chance the air filter needs attention. Over time, dust, dirt, and small particles build up inside the filter, which can block airflow and make the unit work harder than it should. Many people overlook this simple maintenance step, but regularly checking and changing the filter not only improves cooling performance but also helps maintain better air quality in your room. The good part is that you don't need any special tools or technical experience to do this. It's a quick process if you follow the correct method. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to safely change the filter on your Midea portable air conditioner so it runs efficiently again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Locate and open the rear panel where the air filter is installed. Step 3. Carefully remove the filter from its slot without bending it. Step 4. Clean the filter with water or replace it with a new one if needed. Step 5. Allow the filter to dry completely before placing it back. Step 6. Reinsert the filter, close the panel, and plug the unit back in.